I'm John, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some chili garlic prawns. This recipe is perfect for anybody that likes their garlic and a little bit of spice. Let's get started. So in front of me I've got some raw peeled prawns, a couple of cloves of garlic, some flat leaf parsley, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some chili flakes. So it's going to be nice and simple, only a few ingredients, and it'll be very quick to cook. So let's get started. Let's put some olive oil in the pan and heat it to medium-high heat. Meanwhile, we'll cut up the garlic into small pieces, then put it into the hot oil. Add some chili, just as much as you like. Then, place the prawns in without overcrowding the pan and sear on each side, about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and they'll become nice and coloured and flavourful. But remember, don't keep them on too long, otherwise they'll dry out and won't taste very nice. I just went out to the garden and grabbed this lemon, put a squeeze of lemon in just as they're finishing up the cooking, and cut up some flat leaf parsley and put it on top. Now take it off the heat, put some pepper and salt on, and you're done. Now as you've just seen, this is a great entree. It's nice and easy, very quick, very tasty. You can very easily make this into a main course by adding some pasta and some vegetables and whatever else you'd like to. I'll make a video on that another time. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. There'll be more great cooking content coming soon. Thanks.